Hi, Rashid, Kapadia here with a performance tip on a Friday. Same title as the Wednesday Eloquence tip. Additive, not argumentative. Additive, not argumentative. Now, what does this mean? It means you should consider saying yes and instead of no but whenever you're having any kind of conversation, even if it is within a family, between spouses, between family members, but more importantly for performance within a team group. If there's a large group of people and one person makes a certain statement and you disagree with it, it's better to say yes and offer a counterpoint rather than to say no but. No but leads to arguments, and yes and leads to addition. And this way of saying yes and, it creates what psychologists call group flow. And it is in this state that we feel our best and we perform our best. So in this case, additive over argumentative is a flow trigger. And let's take it one step further. It's not just about saying yes and instead of no but. It's about beginning to make it a thought pattern. Just try to eliminate the thoughts which say no but instead of that say yes and. Think yes and how can I include this person into our group discussion, fully knowing that this will lead to better group flow and better team performance. That's our performance tip for Friday. Additive, not argumentative. Additive over argumentative. Good luck.